Do you know what this is? It has something to do with energy. If you're not sure, let me explain. This black, specially shaped component is called a ferrite core. Today, ferrite cores are found inside almost every electrical and electronic device. Now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with the topic of this channel? Keep watching. I'll show you. This is a ferrite transformer. It consists of a plastic coil bobbin wrapped with copper wire, and two ferrite core pieces. In the past, transformers with laminated steel cores were commonly used to step voltage up or down. Today, ferrite technology has made transformers smaller, more efficient, and capable of operating at much higher frequencies. It also helps reduce energy losses and heat generation in many electrical and electronic devices. For example, a low AC voltage at a high frequency, such as 50 kHz, can be applied to the primary side of this transformer. On the secondary side, the output can be a much higher AC voltage. Sometimes hundreds or even thousands of volts, depending on the design. The biggest advantage of ferrite transformers is their high efficiency. They operate with very low core losses and reduced heat generation, especially at high frequencies. I'm explaining this for one reason. Because it's going to help you understand what comes next. This is why ferrite cores have become so important in modern energy technology. They are used in devices such as inverters, power converters, and many other high-frequency electronic systems. As these technologies continue to advance, the demand for ferrite materials keeps growing. That's where the real importance of ferrite becomes clear. I hope you can now see why this material matters. Now, this is the black powder I collected from the mountains using a magnet. As you can see, it's strongly attracted to the magnet. At first, I thought it might contain placer gold. That's why I brought it back to my lab for a closer investigation. But now I realize, it could be transformed into something far more valuable. A commercial material with real industrial demand. My goal is to compress this black powder into the shape of a ferrite core. The first step is finding a powerful press that can compact the powder as much as possible. After that, the material will need to be heat treated so the particles bond together and the remaining pores are reduced. If everything goes well, the result could be a solid ferrite core. Now, some of you might think this project isn't worth the effort. But here's the thing. The demand for energy technology isn't going away. Ferrite cores are essential components in power electronics today, and they'll continue to play an important role in future technologies. China is one of the world's largest producers and exporters of ferrite cores, generating tens of millions of dollars in annual sales. So, maybe this black powder is more valuable than it first appears. At the moment, I'm researching whether another material could replace ferrite and deliver even better performance. There may be new possibilities that haven't been fully explored yet. If you're interested in building a business in your own country, perhaps we can learn from each other and explore new opportunities together. I would love to hear your ideas, suggestions, and feedback. Who knows? One simple comment could lead to the next great innovation, or even the foundation of a successful business. So leave your thoughts below. Let's build something valuable together.